I'm Pod. Welcome to PodSEO. This is PodSEO, the tool that shows you exactly how your podcast ranks across Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music. In the next 2 minutes, I'll give you a quick tour so you know exactly where to find everything. When you log in, you land on your podcast details page. At the top, you see your podcast info and a next step recommendation with expected impact. Just below is your visibility score, your discoverability rating from 0 to 10, with a trend chart, and your visibility rank, which is where your podcast sits in terms of discoverability compared to nearly 4 million indexed podcasts. On the right, AI visibility shows how often ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini recommend you. Scroll down and you'll see your tracked competitors. Add or remove the shows you want to monitor. Next to that, your content and SEO score with categories from your RSS feed and a keyword positions chart showing how many keywords you rank for in the top 3, 4 to 10, and so on. Further down, distribution shows which platforms have your podcast, RSS feed health status, editorial presence, chart rankings, top ratings across countries, and your latest reviews. On the left, you have 4 main sections. The microphone icon is your podcast section. Details, rankings, feed health, editorial presence. Multiple microphones takes you to related, competitors, and referral podcasts. The magnifying glass is SEO, keywords, visibility insights, optimization tools. And the chart icon is Explore. Browse platform charts, editorial picks, and AI recommended podcasts. The podcast details page is your dashboard, everything at a glance. Each card has a View Analysis or View All link to dive deeper into that feature. In the next video, we'll explore the visibility score and what it tells you.